McBrown's Kitchen. Again, McBrown's Kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello Ghana, hello Adeshima, Mami Cheche Winina. Baby, I will share me free be a pa chow. May I say first of all, I feel so and baby because and that's so I promise you said we brought very good show. McBrown's Kitchen, Edianapa, Ede. When him say Hani a Chegan in Yania Kono, Ned, then I celebrities I adore Muno, almost never no be in check, no mu trade no mu pay, no mu yet train. May I say that I'm a high sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Taste it on Kwana. Tomato mixer, vitamins and fiber womb, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin K. Nina womb, tasty tomato rich. Madam was say, I purified drinking water. Any royal drinks, the winning say Casapreco for and then Sano Juman. One for life. Made a launch a kitchen as for me, Daddy Fefe. I launch a Madam was say, delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Ewo Ghana ewo twabia emu ene no na yedie emu no yedwen yabusua hunti ni ye pe vitamins we system hunti no emu ayedie ni royal aroma rice ane medamagi de no strong magi de unim say shrimp wo mu dada na de man da so ko de mu say ya say yet more taste into the dry fish wom and a garlic soup wom me da Royal Kitchen well official Ghana so for chance papa me de no mediane me da mu ase dodo Borges olive oil yanwa Mr. Adokotas nyina agya tum say yan kwantino olive original #1 olive #1 and ye de ye Borges olive intino che say anwoden ko a me da Oberpack Company Limited ase Oberpack and some catch us McBrown's Kitchen ye didi ye e de anapa da no nche ye di bibia keke me pa chow organic products aye made in Ghana Oberpack for and the abadwa so akoma onion akoma garlic akoma ginger and ye bed ye the product no more no ba ntino ni nyina bomu a wo betie nka mo pa gidi pa abusia McBrown's Kitchen ye e de pa ede madam abuafo ase ide ene na me na anuano mo putu me together no enso ase me sraw matade fi royal couture sana beauty boss so aba ha be sese me trimam me da Aligina beauty parlor ai omuna ayem anim kama mama me ntwa me homra na ene so me fa another amazing beautiful show cooking show the whole Ghana there someone him say I am McBrown's Kitchen me ba sisia brim.
In 1967, High Sense and the Sukra Boshim said, Yadia, ya be your home appliances, a ye papa, none bo at that from Ama Crankra, I will reassure for Nangina. High Sense, Yadia, the Wagway, I want to say, Yan your ma yet, a buenipa, a walk on your singers, and the Nama Mimusaway, a dear Ben Sana we here, refrigerator, air conditioner, television, gas cooker, electric cooker, iron, rice cooker, washing machine, steamer, kettle, mobile phone, sound system, and now blender, a mongra, to an amount of High Sense showroom BM. Najidi said, Ubenya the water from Pato. A sense and GM would you say any of my papentin. High Sense a penny of Jumekua, a minimum 5 years warranty. Ye initial one when you did that, into ye see one from. Now, that dear will honor to the bar some swat. Your just you come, and your may papa, and your ma if you your ma and saying in a more ding. And on the High Sense, yeah, High Sense. Every
2351 251.
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch. Okay, then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Nat to help out, but she gets hopelessly stuck somewhere.
There's traffic in front of me.
What? So I call hubby, and he says,
What?
What are we going to do?
Relax, we've got this.
No, we don't. Now it's up to me and him to save the day. Are you okay? With help from something special, the new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients. To give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
You need to tell me how you got that Dedede taste.
And then later she says,
Come see me Monday morning. Let's talk about the new branch we're opening.
Just then Auntie Na shows up. And just when I thought the drama was over,
My daughter, let's go into business.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
McBrown's Kitchen, I will say for Ediana pa Ede, and Mr. Minka Sanchez. And me guess I'm no baby Ediane no. Oh yeah, brand Tibian who and can who fair. None talent in tea and our qualify extraordinary and the oba boy Ediane going. Namakatro says a musician, many biabo, actress no more canemo. And Tiam one in your back. Aha. Oh yes. Oh yes. Ghana. Aha! Adona Musamamio. What do I do? I am your favorite. So you say. Aha. I said that's it. We are too much. I love you. I say that. And then we are trying to come into us. I say that. I'm a one of them. DJ, thank you. Ernest.
Anna.
Nyamisrao.
Abishan so mommy.
Won you me pa chama dia twa kumase kwan.
Yanga sama ya we.
Sata na mi su Toyota Corolla.
Papa bi.
Interrande dia me dana sibi. Wow, Ernest, mama monsi o de she.
Mate.
Wa hene mama monsi o. Enche da nyanyu pi se minim sa modi e mone no.
Oh, okay, me ta wake mineral water.
Awake. You abusia said dia monim no da ya bon kai yestrese. Ye be oro ye sansa na no ye duane ayedi. And because sometimes we be shisho ne money na ewie kra be some chance na say wako biebie niema bi so aka board ne ba bi akososo. Inti na be better say. Ye be oro ye sansa. Inti ye kai bo no nie. Brandness, pacha juice.
Pacha mate mommy. I want to do there. And so we prepare dinner honey.
Nana soon mediane yedi.
Radia don't.
Yes, soon mediane you maybe make an internet so mediane.
Media feel.
Media feel home. And e be diden.
E be di fufuo ne ebunabun kwan.
Ebunabun kwan.
Ebrabun kwan papa bi.
And I go bet uni ebunabun kwan me mo wa o.
Ebrabun kwan green no.
Ne. I was Ernest Opoku sin bo so be bo me ebunabunu. green. Inti enesa utifia mesreo. Bia mama okon adonya hwefa wo so appointment next week no aye bi wo fi. Ana ti bunu yin ne yefufu yi. Pacho o yan bobo ye niema ede yeso.
Okay. See mekuta ai mi green no. Ai. Ankasa.
Eye kontomre no.
God. It kontomre na ankasa ni.
Ya woro kama.
Ya woro kama. Omo de nchene egunsuo. Okay, vinegar. Egunsuo mo no e wo hye ho.
Yes.
Me baswa me sanso kutanam. Insuo me nam no.
Me pese be bi.
Okay, I am so. We say no.
Description ya hu ni.
Kuta adwene. Na ntwenam a omahye da toto.
Ya ho. Kama.
God, ena ko bi.
Super cool.
Okay, super cool. Ena prekese. Ena samo. Enwa. Enwa no. Sena na wodi wuma ema na yede.
Ema hu so wodi ebulu.
Good, kuta tomatoes. Ena mijene.
Yes.
Akakadro.
Yes.
Garlic. Sanso kuta me garlic. Okay. Meko. Nkuruma. Sanso kuta Konsusa.
Na hwa de we.
We say ye enwa ni nsuo no.
Ampa. Ena eto nyini we.
Something Kumasi guy. Petra crew from us. Okay.
I was crew from near Brante no be boy ebunu. Ene fufu. Ene se fan hye so. Me pese me hwe so wo shortcut bi ade aduane.
Oh pa.
What shortcut?
Pa.
Okay. Command me na me fa bibia amra bat.
I mean take my week answer.
Penya en ho. Awaken the soul. Yes. Inti abuso ya ba hye so. Okay.
Inti no. Se me pese me di kan enwa me green na answer kontomre no.
Okay, study open.
O ma wo hye ho nti no.
Ya wo hye dada.
Ene kwansusu ane nyina me no abom.
Okay. Wahine ba nsuo nie. Ntene ye shopa.
Nsuo no mpacho wo de begu we ni mama.
Dabi wo de mabu ama.
Mate.
Wow, sir wa chim kontomre nie.
Rade tiasi.
Ene so maduane ye.
Wo de se wo hwe. Ya wi ado.
Ene so boku so ye crow from near Brant.
Bacha.
Wa na wunyini ye. Wow.
Bacha.
Wow. Entino
besazo fa esusu anungum.
Okay.
Me de me pemekopa. Mami be se akese be numbi.
Okay.
Emfangusu na de be kan me de atoto enkwanim. On the meche. Okay, mama fa.
Va kunkamu. Ti eno ana no. Menkata so.
Eno ana.
Be me na alepati makata so. Ebusu Ernest Opoku no. Uko suku we. Suku din no ni ehimfa.
Isku am ko de
ya be blend ko to the size be ko.
Miss ko am ko de at the negation.
Uko negation.
Se onim ho dia.
Minim negation.
I want to go school di chamso negation.
Di chamso. Who wie Jesus ho?
I me we school 1999.
And out to
1999. We man to so se na me papa wuntem. Ti me no bia ma no anto am school.
Wan suadwuma bia.
Na be men suadwuma bia. Me ankasa mi so na Erade adom so ankasa. Bia obeto nyum bia na se obia like okuta ti bia no match de bia no. Osakra na ohu se ade bi sa ebeda na wadi. Ti me no na me ko school nya na me hu se enyom to de e de ya meto.
Obetimi ato.
No kwasam. Ya no bi encounter garlic no.
Akoma garlic.
Ma me nyimi ansa encounter. God akoma garlic. Na me sanfa akakaduro no. Minyi Sabia ebitima ya me. Minyi
no. Second crab adon Sunday. We are champion.
Minyi eno no be se 2. Encounter kakaduro no ka. Na brand mami.
Brand Opoku yetuma.
Mami bi suma. So brand money in fipa. Okay, that's good. Mami fana. Men fansu. Kakra. Emfam small wine bi kakra bi.
Sa.
Ma shegu na afi no. Me de enam no. Eba wonti mami fa ensia kakra nam twitwa nam ne bi kakra won se nam no soso.
Ane.
Okay.
Pato na nchinam no fresh.
Ya toto. Na won se enam no esoso. Yes, mama.
So papa won't tell. Na mama when.
Mama tiasi wo.
Oh, okay, no ho.
Tiasi what me fi mpo Kumasi.
Oh, okay. Mama ye chia baby a wo bia.
E fe na bene brago.
No.
Abre brago papa bi.
Abre brago e. Ye chia wo. Mama.
Di shan pa.
Me shira.
Se onyame na me so ma ne wo me.
Ampa.
Kwase me tina no se enam no soso ntieye.
Eye. Yentino enam de ya wo ro ne ya ho kamantino.
Ya no kwase mo.
E come direct.
Afi masanfa esumunam no. But unse na adwene no se me de ye nkwan na ebe ho no.
Good.
Amentwen nkwan no ebe bena nam de ato se ebe ya enho no.
Se ebe ya enho no.
But we say ne de Opoku ne de e wo se me de tum.
Okay.
What you say? Am say ayu mu kakra ntima me emom.
Ai Opoku.
Okay.
Ka say tuam.
Etutuamu akase. Metwa. Entina na se me sanso wisu we se no so ba ko bi. Prekesen ba ko na me de estimo eman gym. E wo se me twam mi.
Wow.
So
Tetepura tetrapta.
Me twam.
Prekata you know botanical name. Tetepura tetrapta.
Tetepura tetrapta. Ti eno ni prekesen mi no. Eti e wo se me sa de we no
eni pejabra na me
brandi no. Okay, ginger no ne. We no. Garlic no. Good. Na me de egum.
You sure so be here sugar.
My friend sugar kakra. Mo na de wo ase ni nyina mpie.
Good.
Mo.
Hey, ene de ama me pe. Na ene fi kofi ana kwame ana
ko. Ba jo me yakwasi.
Oh, wakwasi be bo me kwa, akwasi be bo me kwa.
Sisi no yeba abestimu nam no. Ti mama se ntwitwa we no baako.
Jene no.
Mama twitwa bingu ho.
Engu.
Oh,
okay.
Mama twitwa bingu.
Wetin so ketwa.
Okay.
Wow.
Some of this stimu nam ne ho pa.
Ene se na opa jene.
Se jene de ayo nana.
Mediano so ye de.
Papa.
Wow. I was Ernest Opoku boy yan. Inti Ernest so usa do ma chede no also no. Who started free sorry fear be ana say obi na share no discover o
adoma chede wa me so no na me hu se e wa me so no na me hu se obi ye ti se bia obi ye asore ne ade an makọ yeah, no makọ akotonyo nti ebebi kwa de du ya se me ko so ma me ntuma no mo as omo yes omo epam mesa na wo na kola wo ho fin ase atale so kora na wo ba beto am so o mama ntonu ntimi ya
me soja no
yeah
okay ne peja bread
jan mama but mama friend so small one bingo ho
me se bi o ha ma
okay
enti no o mu ka site
o mu ka yem so na wo na small boy na ase wo beto ni adam so o mama ntonu o enti se me ko na me ko jiwe na me tonu mu ano mo akure adoma chede ekuta na pa ti omo hu se achede ne kuta me no so achede ne kuta me no mo se nyame ato mo
but no Ernest I was ya boy
de ba
na ya said abrata pa wa boss ye de ne de e chire na so
anyway
de
enti na obe posansi
amen
pa o posansi ya o na di appetite so
na sunu mariani yo
pete so baako
no
me de enchene small one bi begum
oh okay
because of say Opoku no one say enchene that assorted
yes
enti o say me de enchene
na magi so enchene kakra wo mu
enchene kakra wo mu
ene enchene ba ketu
bi enchene no me de kakra bi na
fasate ene wadua ne no na emfe
na enchene na like o ma me first spoon bi enti ana say
magi kura don say bubu he ne
ne wonim enchene
kakra wo ho
akra bi me de pete so ho yes no mama fa light one bi empete so kakra
enti no ano
anko ya no ano
minya de menkata so
mi pa cho bua so ma menkata so
bua so ma mi ampa wo kuma senior brand ampa ba cho ya do hin
ise no ya baba betwe in green no
ya besue
ya besue
se sie
on se ya na enkofo timi ma ne bena esa na emma de wo se like intimi de man intimi nye intimi no me ba besue na ma brand dumne mame ko se menya so na me brand dia eno na me sa de ba be nkwan na nkasenti no Ede ya ebebene sanity. Ti mame ensom na menhwengum kama. So the call anymore.
Yes, emobia. Eni na busuan. The American try and says I blend anya high size blender men take his risk with. The risk says I dey share. Na the good blender mo is automatic say be wiki na kakra buy. Na share no be papa ya see no. Into way a trick.
Na kwase
the amount. Sa. Ensuo ni advice you
all. Ensuo na awasam timi de frank kwa no. Mano. And the money yet for man.
What's a control and show him that?
Sanity.
Ain't you know? Oblanda, Papa said, yeah, and one say, Casa. And the trick is, when Susana Bano is to swap and to say, yes, you are, and to me blending again. But I say a trick now, no, some blender, no one thing. And wow.
You see, no, it's me.
Maybe you know, I never see baby and I bedding.
I brand you made a baby gunquan. To know my sure the best I want.
Wow. Wow.
It's mammy.
First water.
Small one. Crabby. Eh? Some side is soon not me sunny freeway no control as our county.
Okay.
And also, Mamma Sam Fengum, the woman,
and free
intimate free, mammy. Swung.
I can't tell him, Quabo.
18 hours soon, say, now maybe I won't be a frame. I'm not the agum.
I'm part.
Yeah, it's so small.
And there were
the some found one of a crab in America.
Okay.
I mean, no more said yet. And quantity and other Sabia. A BP and I say a bear light.
Ernest Opoku. Into open the same.
Man, I'm a pedie, a more pino.
The more pino.
And yes, I'm a semi-circle. Not make of tomatoes, you know.
A begum, a moon there,
tomatoes, my mini and so on. And I'm from Gunquan.
Wow.
Good. And a genial. I'm in for full one. And to me, yeah. I was a me in a brandy.
Ampa.
Mecuno. My mini bears and 9 before be. Cause it be Anya. So, it made it. Bears of four. Air to 2 to Miss Ameku. Fauna. And I don't know. But when him. And any my men some fat. I can't do no mean to trebby. Small I've been from Guncan.
So, and I saw by teacher.
I mean, just more I've been Guncan.
Teacher, and I
track a crabbing.
That's a so be ya.
There be one say that and Quanimo Buon more per the air. Tina Danquanima and Manquano Cratim cry him near the one.
That also so they are not
a true one.
A true one.
So any. I'm from Guncan. Wow, no, I feel no Makataso, Makataso. Oh, yeah, Mamma said that will 18 maybe 7% me got bunch in the body. And
then the homes you have seen soon, Swama, what is was a wood and
sanity.
And that's over good. DJ, me patch up on you, but Ernest, and your man,
me parent, why I fell.
Why a new song?
I'm Patcha.
Sound. We also 2 words by West. Abra ye jabancho.
You nyami dear me wade na. Atamfo unyenya. What am I achieve me a baby? Semi asia me so. Oh anu ani me han. Mama mi senku mami mo. Mama mi binti na mi zaki. Atamfo bebe bimfa. Aye me aya nyi. Oh se. Aya ferry. Nyami mama atamfo da.
Thank you, DJ. Ernest, who listen to you about me? Me and Pa, me.
You may buy and chibia a DBS 5 months.
Oh, and the corona, I can't say.
Yes, I'm going to a corona idiot. I dare be any party.
Hey. What's on the China boy?
I am trying. O tam for unyenya me. O tam ya chi me abebre.
Ampa.
Se me wi ase me sorry. Oh wa no ne me han. Uma me senku mami mo kumpum uma me pintin na me sa. Atam for mpe be bi mfa. Awe me ya nyi.
Ho na me de no.
Maya very. Ya me mama tough.
But unfortunately, and I don't from one hair with you. Tinania. I don't way. Moon cat and for no one cat. Aye. In tennis, yeah, Ben, I'll release you first song.
Release me first song, no 205.
205.
I check.
Mother Cronia me do. And met you. And Mama sang in a woman say, we own Yamia, what ya say. In 2005, now release this annual. And as I say, what did you want bad?
No crossing. They say, me de a bremuna me here, and also a bremuna me here. I will hear bremuna me sumi fresh. Era di minya kopon. Imwa no me hoati. If you say no assessa yabis. Yabis is a breno. Era di breve dia. And I say, I do me so. A brand new, a brand new, a brand new. Ah, a brand new. So best a man, Nimonyamo. And Monyambre, brand new. A brand new, a brand new. Ah, a brand new. I say, Nana. So be preja, sa. I say, Okono Maku Mary. Oh, Mikano Missy Mary too. Yakani train ya botreno. Binyami Sami Diwati.
Ampa.
Osisa ya bisidi dia o. Osisa Sarah didia.
Sa.
Ah, do me so.
And I say,
so be peja.
Ampa.
I say, wanna see ye. Wanna see wakechi. Otini ni amani edo so de eswarade givni free ni nyina mu chiana mu yo erade nti wo brebe so
ampa
wo ye kotoko samra be oni mandi chiemu nsem nyina on say yo kotoko samra ba oni mandi chiemu nsem
Ernest into what won say
abon de e mako be say 5
ebi anyom say na so
anyom be say 9 Enyum 9 na woso.
Ni na wa na twa.
Me na metwa ni nyina.
Onyum bia.
Mpacho ai.
Onyum nyina.
Onyum nyina me na metwa. Enyum bia me de beba bia me na metwa. Odo be na Yesu we odo. Elmo bra Yesu Kristo. Baba wa me bone. Ene me asie mi re. Ah, bedawasio. Abrenyina. That's right.
Yenko, ye di agwa won.
Eti medwa banche na wi.
Ye dwa
eti me be wo se ho.
Ane. Yes, you see the siso no. We too much.
We are no asesa.
Na de gunsuo.
Na de gunsuo ni.
Trick back why come on. No de nsuo ndi kan sija so a.
Sija so.
Aduane no brain tell. Ernest Opoku, Ernest what worry?
Pacho de me wale yo.
Adan what trend?
Erade adoma me wale.
Obe wale wo.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Ade
dia no dos. Na rade you free ni nyina.
Into dia ne dia beba na so dia ebo no behwe no so no. Obe yam no. Na me ka kire.
Ne be fan so aba. What dan ya azam no. Tinti na baba.
Dia ebo no behwe no so no.
Eno ba bu goteji me.
Me ankasa na me kama sem se dia ebo no behwe no so no.
Am paso ebo so yo dia benyam.
Ti ma enkata so.
Ene hure wala.
Ehuru nti enkata so.
Okay.
Ti say no ya baba be yi we I need to care for my tomatoes no.
Okay.
Any jane. Other tomatoes in the shoe
still I am tricks now.
We crown say
because say
tomatoes in shoe kaka.
Ale.
No one here come.
Yes. What's I am coming?
No, I am perfect.
Perfect.
Come on.
Intinio.
I am enti ya de ebegu nkwan no.
Okay.
Amenye ni cover ni fish ni tina. My yam. Awi tomatoes na awi na me de. Ensuo no.
Ernest, I find the shortingo but oya kama. Ompeni bebre. Ampa.
Eti Mary ni say no, say metime de nwa no ne.
Nyama ka no.
Salmon. Mami mbu mienu say yo.
Okay.
Any.
Yes.
Na me fan ton kwan. So.
Yeah.
Good.
Adwene no so na.
Na adwene no so.
No so sa.
Mami mbu mienu.
Be hemenya no. Wa hene ba mpa. Ernest Opoku ni mane wo ye. Enya nyum to kwa no nim to.
So hono. We de nya de obenya biawe. Ze mitimenya.
Nemo taste na be ma wo kwa ni wo.
Be ma mo. Because ebe.
But sometimes we be na kakra de.
Onya kakra be de dem.
Yeah.
Say kase na film. So
yes, me ho pa.
Na me de atum. Ti mame sanso sa enza mfa we ne ba.
Prekase ba ko.
Enza yeah, enwon but enokwa na mame twitwa ho kakra. So na ekwan ne dem.
Wow. Ernest.
No na me de atum. So na ma sa be fa
onwa
enwa no. Enokwa na be ma na yi pa flavor no. Be ma ni taste no.
Ebunabunu we that enwa.
There be enka wen ye.
Ye yi ho kama ye de ga fa ni kama.
Mo yi ho.
Nti wow sha na poti. Yes.
So what you say?
What say?
Poti me de atum.
Wow.
And one hour no.
I want to go.
You had me say yes.
What we inquire nam. I no more ankasa. Mama me ohene, first we mama.
Na and one issue na kakra no. Emfa akra bi enwo nkwa no.
Nyani
nyina. Se be ya bi nyani nyina.
Oh okay.
Se be ya betimi anya nkwa no flavor na kakra. So. Majasi no. Ti miduru ana me de atre no enum but ni kwa se otimi no mu pi so kra dane na ni ade so eno ano no
ya wie nkwa no won de so pede api
eti na mabefa enkruma no kuma na bayi ni tina fresh
okay
so masanso ayi eto no
na me say ya
na me de no asensa ho akra eno an
wa woni ne wo ye to ya na wosre Ernest
so
wow to piepie nkuma
se be ya ebekum ebebene eno an
so be ya de nkwan no so abene wi ansa
eno an
ye be wo fufuo no so busua
be wo fufuo no sisia Marie
nti awie nkuma
nkuma no mama sesa ngu nkwan
na se nkuma no so ba nkwan
ni
wala
nkuma no ba nkwan
ai Ernest
yes mommy
wo hwemu aye hwe obanchi ya
atese
se abene na
abene abene
na china abene wa wo besu
abene wa pa
ene me so no wo sua no na me so me sete waduro no
mate
e won fom ho ama
me pa cho mate
you say you oni mu a McBrown's kitchen ya waduro ene e wa ya wo ma nti me ko fom wo
mate
abra wo sua odi an wai
me sua ba
nti no na wo huru mu ansa na yesi fom e wo sua say ya me ba o hene me free ha no aba ya twitwum aye bibia dada
no
bara mamre na ni o so ye dia sare nsuo fam
sane aduane na ba
e wo sua adwuma na no
ma twa wie no eni ba ba sone
okay
no
isi ebe kofo wa wi on isi oni nyina afri ho
bibia afri
Ernest wani eden
me bie so akama eframa mfa so kakra
ani ebe da na egu emu ho anse de ye ne fie bi
kre
obo de ye kama se ho ya se be yi mu kra
David banche no so ye kama pa
banche no so ye kama abusuya ye ko wo ye fufu ai
bo enchene
enchene Super kunone the Maggie the and chicken to an invitation. I ask him to her. Any okay, maybe dear. Some of your quan any diamond Saturns is a hammer by Chinebe dinner, sir. It's Yabaka Tasso. Naya son from Akaway Fufu. Yanqua on him. Wow. We are also to media cry. Practically to me a pa. Wow. I was after your Fufu Nani, and I did Simu Pempe was in the Piancasa. Aye, but then you come and to anybody now we are no you munibia. Wow. Yamapa. Hey, Ernest Opoku, crow from your auntie. And that's no free. Catch me if you work, I say. When I'm free, I'm table quite rude. Annie, work, I say. You, what do you know? We are sir. Sanity. Tiania was ya? Your corner, sir. Work, I see near Branty and Yanquay. And that's what you know. What would I want to do? One, in your money. What? I was at McBrown's kitchen near Danapa Ed. I Ernest Opoku, and I bought a bloom choir. What the woman see what Dromwa or say when the fufu. I say, ya. We didn't paint but then I know crown one. It's from moment fast, Dama. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Awake purified drinking water. Launcher kitchen. Delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous olive oil. Royal aroma rice. Maggie the Oba Park Company Limited. And a Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. And chance Papa V. I was saying, you better try one back. You're banana when you say edition time. But in the meantime, yeah, way of fufu. Yeah, way of fufu. And as Vasim. And now for yeah, Quanon. And as Utu Wam doing a method. Okay. Yeah, what is here?
In 1967, High Sense and the Sucray Bushim said, Yadia, ya bay home appliances, a ye papa, none bore at that from a man crankra, I will reassert and then. High Sense, Yadia, the why I want to say, Yan your ma yet, a buenipa, a walk on your singing house, and the Nama Mimusaway, a dear Ben Sana we here, refrigerator, air conditioner, television, gas cooker, electric cooker, iron, rice cooker, washing machine, steamer, kettle, mobile phone, sound system, and now blender, a monogra, to an ammonefako High Sense showroom BM. Najidi said, Ubenya the water from Pato. Exactly a GM would say in your Maya papented. High Sense a penny of Jumekua, a minimum of 5 years warranty. Yenny so one when you did that, into Yensi one form. Now, dear, well, her actually by some swat. You see, you come, and your Maya papa. And your ma efe. If you your ma and saying in a mahmoudin. Another High Sense, yeah. High Sense.
2351251.
My husband deserves the best jollof. Yay! And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it?
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
had invited the boss for lunch.
Okay.
Then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Na to help her, but she gets stuck somewhere. So I call hubby. Now it's up to me and him to save the day with help from something special. The new Dedede seasoning from Maggi, specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients to give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
Dedede. Come see me Monday morning.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your grills. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cat. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is...
Cat. Do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Made us sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be there 9.
You've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA, ahwehwe sa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
McBrown's kitchen. Edianapa Ede. Selango. Edition time. Selango. Sa. Ehane deno. I'm the Asidema High Sense. Home appliances. Papa pa. Fee High Sense. Ya ni ye niema. High Sense abeto Germany. America no. And no one out Ghana. Ye nshadan kase weba Ghana ntino. Ye no ha. Debbie. Yen papa pa emamo. Made a tasty tom and rich tomato mix I say. And rich tomato mix because no papa then a shemuma, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin E, and a vitamin D. Nini nebi wo tasty tom and rich tomato mix. I was awake purified drinking water. One is for life. Cause water awake my empacho. And so I won't see any more day. Nessa Ghana phone. Enye me da launch kitchen ase for kitchen papa pa ya mamia first so I was made that royal aroma rice ase royal aroma rice and I'm da Borges olive oil me da delay mackerel delay sardine delay spaghetti ya da sibe oh my god and let me say you be the organic niema there Overpack Company Limited and no and the organic niema to say Jenny garlic ginger market the Royal Kitchen official Ghana say Maggi the dead and a Borges olive oil. Yeah, baby Didi and into Ernest. Ade fefa ya wa ma wunye enti bemi. Ade bemi. Aya mami. Ayo ade fefa ya wa ma minye enti bemi. And my bell. When you do Ernest, my sponsors, I can't imagine boom say. Me fan now I say. Say we buy from a week. I wake any drinks, royal drinks, and mono yamobi, delay macro, Maggi the dead, Nini na Royal Kitchen official Ghana and Chensing, and a High Sense rice cooker. Yeah, then a playing. Yeah, that's the sound by McBrown's. I feel you do a diana. And you mean we are nice and the book and the mom. Come on. I was saying, but did you ever boy Ernest Opoku also no new be into ever be now they introduce McBrown's kitchen fun and you'll be your sad to Ernest Opoku pa. I brand here, come on. Yeah, but you know, mommy, a DJ. Mr. Frimpong. Welcome to McBrown's Kitchen. Wow. Mr. I don't my bribe one. I want me and what they went to me, sir. And you made me the too much. And you were too much. Wow. I walk me to say, Miss Soran or Pana be telling you more. Let me be a year more. Too much. Oh. Yes. And I know you home. And baby, Asa.
If it's a new nonsense, I am this. I'm this Shabreno.
This is the time. DJ, thank you very much. Everyone here, when you're here, you're young coupon your bankers here. They won't have ready, ready for the Raymond, you're ready for food. And now, say, yeah, I didn't come and grab a gun. Open my car, my car. I was in McBrown's kitchen here. Yeah, but did the Ernest? I mean, shower to your name, come on.
Mommy.
When your name come on. But a mommy and Chia Conia near me on Ernest. My empire Sima. Yes, I read you in Nina. Was here done as say. And see, I have a vampire was here.
Australian Pombo for 2 million euro or Danny Eshadai, Medawasi.
Yes.
Adriani, a 1 day new 2 million. Okay, home my your bumpire the Umoja shall set in a conqueror. Oh, Jesus Christ, you dim. Amen.
Amen. Oh, Ernest, mommy, on quine in you.
The mommy Pachoa Casa 7 my.
Now, but such a say, don't be a mayam.
I meant Timedian.
Also told you, or him about
brutal. When
you marry home, when you marry home, because we're Berman quite one day.
I want my body up.
Papa. I was here. Yeah, but sir, for your men, sir, for me first, ladies first.
Ladies first, exactly.
Please, ladies first. Ernest Opoku. Oh. Ernest, Munko.
Mommy.
Oh, there be Munko. Munko. Ghana for. Enya me na me paduane o aduane bo antimi nyiwani fufuo no ne abunabunu no na nwane kyerese salmon no ensuo no bia de baako wow njabuzo ya shase e ba sa uti speku no ho na ne gu wani mu ho speku aduane nkwa na maka se strategy na ne gu wani mu ho kama Mr. Frimpo, you did ever one come kakra. Movement now the room nice on one some sir. Now what that room what down. We heard you my ben.
Oh, me crackers bagana.
Sir?
Cas bia. Casa
free. What you brocha na tia?
Your US, but me the cas bagana, Range Rovers, you know, all the big cars.
Hey. I can't why. Wow. Anel.
Yes, mommy.
Where do you need it?
Too much.
That's it.
Anyway, dear. Emini na yang na so ba na ye.
Where do you know ye you pato?
Too much.
You need the pa. Now sa posa nkuma no so sa de Friday. Ene na se ba bia wu ama. Na ene sa Frimpo wa bai. Ene so boku de obi ani. Wa da Roma. O akonya so be bisa Ernest December akupebi.
Okay.
Asema
Ernest. Yes sir. For me bo aba so dey too much. But unso we see mo ache. You can't go to musicians you can't legend. Okay. But up to now that's what kita udim. And there no secret.
Just Ernest, wanum so na into ba kan secret na.
Okay, sir. I'm say and some obisa me dey a good pa. I say Erade asem se obi a ode no to Nyankopon so no. Ade nyina di buan na ewie ni ye. Erade fra ofre me no. Wan frɛ me amanipa. On say Ernest Opoku me see match. Then so still na no. Erade adom da so me so a ode me ye adwuma. Up to na nyina no. Enyum to aguso ye adwuma. Nti no Erade frɛ wa na wa frɛ. Ofrɛ wo ma adwuma pa. Nse Erade frɛ match. Ona me so de enyum more bebre na aba. Erade de Ernest Opoku akọ ewiase afana bebre abrochire ko bebre US, Canada, Australia. Like I mean ewiase ko bebre. Ni nyina mo me hu sɛ ye Erade na de me. Enti ni nyina ye ahobrase. Sɛ onyame be na mo so de o head. No question yeah.
Now, Bible say, "Yeah, but friend, we are my friend. Yeah, we need my step." And don't you know? Yeah, cut time our yeah, but friend. A show penny brim. That means yeah, current situations is here. What's some how can you not just when you couple and power go swa at the way you do? But when I'm on a young round on them, it will be as and for say, Ernest, a time my issue, Tabia, when I'm with the Wyoming. And you when them. And as we any part. Did I video to me you?
On say, Obinya Wale, a Beman Yan Wale. This will be like a show bar, no bar, no elbow brandy adi. Maybe a channel, say, who's a be a bar on your man queer. I was maybe to say, like, maybe, I mean, like maybe to make them walk a clap. But I said, one day, WWT. And I'm also or somewhere caution. I mean, for I can such and say, I dear we and your giant, that's just na San or say, also ultimate tron. And I say, Okotron one. Not a Danny problem.
Considering how M is all poor brand and
sanity.
Oh, okay. Ernest, when you song near boy,
I try.
I sing on the release on the album.
A single.
A single. Also, about 5 months in the video, in the BBR out. Into YouTube.
Good.
On YouTube. Yes. Ernest Opoku.
Ernest Opoku Jr. Official page.
Okay.
Ernest Opoku Jr. Official page. Uko na ma obenyamin ya gese. Enyu ma media be Google there. Enyu go okra like empia bontin kwa mo biante.
Oh, okay.
But uko na man sabeka.
Alone atamfo
nyanyame.
Atamfo nyanyame.
Atamfo nyanyame. Ota mi achi mi abebre.
Oh. Atamfo nyanyame.
Se me wi ase am sorry. Sanity.
You want me.
And I'm bringing you. It's those two songs.
Anyway, Ernest.
Yes, mommy.
Ghana for a show. A day now we can't check Ghana for because McBrown's kitchen they will fear be able.
I didn't say in a Omio Kwamai. You see, I feel no baba question. O maimu. Enchebiana e baba twaba. Okay, election, Mr. Mo. Mo bia anye entokwasem na me na me sie na me na me dia no ukoto aba o hwede obeboa wo abrabom obema onyema akoya manu akoto aba otu aba ne wiam pachu akofi akoda gojina bonti na obi enko ham enko kontokwa
msraw
fa na misaw ukoto aba no akofi akware akoda no ano no mesra mo entokwasem de yempe Ghana ha because ebia obi ye entokwa no ebia eba America meme no mi no de enane nsa ho obetumi atu na ebia o maame abrewa bi wote akura ase wontimi ntu America mesremo
it's true
said ye watimi wakame ne obi na mempreme bi pache nyim frem ema obi na ada so ma enko ne enko kontokwa no ne ba on na busu ya fa ne passport o ma dwane akotana bochire akame no mi no mesremo koto abana de wa free so obeboa wo no koto ma na no akofi akoda no anu abia na edi
enu anu
what you say ebasa asembia ni finish
enu anu
Erade shira nyina
Erade shira nyina Ernest Opoku wa masankwan ba meti ginger ne meko me ampa na ma redro
akwan na ekamu odi na
efa kama ba
MiPROMO pa
unze nkwa is makoni ginger ni ma enye de
makoni ginger ni ma
de ma misi do na na masen adi nkwa ne de mse ma yensira
Mr. Fo
ni aje tu
ya misha wate so ba McBrown's kitchen won't me McBrown's kitchen kosa awo ye chene mo chade na ne McBrown into the edika me mau apple cider free Borges.
Thank you.
Na mama iron from High Sense. And they shopping you. And they shopping.
Thank you.
High Sense. Mama sanitizer.
Hey, Nana, God
yes, from Casapreco Face Chancey.
Oh my goodness.
From Royal Kitchen Official Ghana.
God bless you.
God bless you, darling.
I'm so happy.
God bless you, darling.
All right.
And you know, Ernest,
Mami,
yeah, no. Yes, some kind of me, we have a salmon quantity pa. Launch a kitchen for ye, me, Jari, some fat bookie mount. Oba Moha, percentage cacraca.
Launch a kitchen.
Launch a kitchen, me, Jari. I face me mount hand sanitizer, and no hand sanitizer, a bit to me a bois. I'm a corona. What at ye? Yes, ye ni pay yes, so near me. There be a fa casapreco hand sanitizer, a count, there be a becubia. I was have on McBrown's kitchen here, a diana pa ede, and as one quine near come. And a day, McBrown's kitchen ever baby you. And I may ask me a jamu because I know say you are happy when you see me. I know, but I'm running tea. McBrown, say she now transcending. Me didn't in an hour McBrown, with a high sense, I say, with a tasty Thomas say, with a delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti, I say, with a launcher kitchen, I say, with a wake purified drinking water, I say, with a gorgeous olive oil, I say, and I'm Madame Maggie the dead for I say, with a royal aroma rice, I say, with a Overpack Company Limited as Overpack, and a Royal Kitchenware Official Ghana. I will see. Emreno just as someone but you better Ernest Nyumba Ernest new one what a time for when you hey DJ
actually me baby
bon mame
yes I have
hey
I'm sorry come here sir
I'm sorry Ernest Opoku hey ane kacha yeah yin kacha
nam esumo hembo Menenam, woman come on, menenam. Samenenam, menenam. We won't have me dear, me what did a time for Munya, what I'm watching ya, baby. Samia, I'm sorry. Mamma is a good mamma, mamma, a town from baby. Miami, let's go.
Wow, thank you, God. God bless you. See you next week.
McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, yet to Kano, get it bow, so when you know, no, am I in here, yet to Kano, get it bow. So in yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen.